Teachers can create tasks for their students that include a range of activities from their interactive textbook. Select the Task Manager icon from the dashboard. Click Create. Choose to create a quick task where all students complete the same activities, or create a directed task which redirects students on a path appropriate to their results in a measurable activity. Follow these steps to create a directed task. Give the task a name. Click Next. The types of activities available for a task are displayed as icons such as these. The activity types may vary for different resources. Select an icon and drag it to the line above. Use the drop-down arrows to choose the chapter and section from which the activity is to be drawn. Click Insert. Drag the next activity up to the line. In the exercise questions, some resources have an option to choose the level of questions. When a measurable activity such as a quiz or scorcher is added to the task, a set of arrows will appear next to the icon. This indicates a point where students can be directed on a different path based on their results. Click on the arrows to show a slider that can be used to set the achievement benchmark for the different directions. If the benchmark is set at 60%, students who achieved this score and above will be sent in one direction, and those who scored below 60% will be directed on a different path. Set tasks appropriate to each path. For example, a student over 60% could be set a higher level of exercise questions or challenged with a scorcher quiz. A student who scored below 60% could be set a video, a widget, or a walkthrough depending on the resource. Videos, widgets and walkthroughs can be previewed by clicking the blue link. These may vary for different resources. The self-assessment icon can be added at any point along the task and asks students to rate their confidence on the activities completed. The task can be assigned once all of the activities have been added, or can sit in the task bank until it is assigned. A task can be assigned to multiple classes or individuals within a class. Uncheck all students to select individuals and hold down the control button on a PC and the command on a Mac to multi-select. Click Assign. Students will be sent a notification that they have a task to complete. Results for tasks can be accessed from the Assigned Tasks tab. Click Check Progress to view individual student progress.